today we are going to repair this Samsung. Customer told us to change the motherboard. This is a original motherboard of this TV, but it is analog and it is not smart one. So he wished to change this TV to smart one. So is what we are going to do. We are going to replace that motherboard with this one. This one is Android motherboard. You see that it has a LAN cable, or it has access on Wi-Fi. That means this is a smart motherboard. Is what we are going to do. So to switch on this motherboard, wow, you see that now our TV is displaying oil.
Eshuli rises.
Uburanga bw'inzu yawe si amarangi cyangwa intebe ziri muri salo. Ntiwibeshye kuko ishema n'icyubahiro cy'ibyo utunze ari televiziyo nziza kandi yakorewe ahantu heza. Ahangaha niho hazira Eshuli Technology Limited. Abangaba ni inzobere mu gukora televiziyo zapfuye bifashishije ikoranabuhanga rigezweho. Banacuruza kandi ibikoresho byose bya televiziyo, nta PS n'imwe wababurana. Ibuka kandi ko hari igihe ubuzima bukwereka amahirwe ariko si buri wese uyamenya. Batanga kandi amasomo y'igihe gito ibizwi nka short course, aho mu mezi 3 gusa ubuzi gutekinika televiziyo n'ibindi bikoresho byose bya elektronike. Uru ni urufunguzo rw'ahazaza hawe, aho ubuhanga buhurira n'ikoranabuhanga. Eshuli Technology Limited dukorera mu mujyi wa Kigali hafi n'ibiro by'umurenge wa Gitega. Twandikire cyangwa duhamagare kuri 078 78 53 99 0 cyangwa 078 29 34 34 Eshuli Technology Limited, source of knowledge, engine of progress.
Eshuli leads with a guiding hand.
Hello everyone, we give you welcome once again on Eshuli TV. Eshuli TV is a YouTube channel of a company called Eshuli Technology. Here we do different courses about electronics, in basic electronics and advanced electronics. So today we are going to show you how to repair a TV. Nowadays we are showing you how to repair televisions from step by step, from the beginning until TV get repaired. So today we are going to repair this Samsung. Customer told us that want to change the motherboard. This is a original motherboard of this TV, but it is analog and it is not smart one. So he wished to change this TV to smart one. So is what we are going to do. We are going to replace that motherboard with this one. This one is Android motherboard. You see that it has a LAN cable, or it has access on Wi-Fi. That means this is a smart motherboard. Is what we are going to do. So but at the beginning I want to remind you that it's better to clean first where you are going to work on. That is a step 1. You see that you have enough free space. You see that you have a good place where you keep every spare of our TV while we are repairing it. So the first step is to clean or to organize the workspace. Second step is to organize the tools that we are going to use. First of all, we have iron soldering, digital multimeter. We have to put it around in order to save time of finding that. We also keep around the screwdriver and other material we guess or we think we're using. We keep it around. Sometimes we need to modify the housing of the TV because the ports of the original board with the new one are not the same. So that's why we will use this electric cutter to modify some modifications. It helps us to do some modifications. So let's start. You see that this screen has this LVDS or this FFS cable, which has FFS, which is different to this one. You see, to the original board, it is in this form, while the board we are going to use, it is LVDS with these pins. So that's why we are going to use, let me show you, we are going to use the LVDS, which has these ports to be able to be connected in this motherboard we are going to replace with. So that's why we are going to make this LVDS be connected with this one. So follow step by step how we do that in order to be able to replace or to perform our task today. So you have to follow everything we do here. kabiri rimwe kabiri. Ground. Let's check ground.
From Eshuli TV to YouTube view, dance to the rhythm, celebrate the name.
Yeah, to be this one. This is a ground. So you see what I was doing here. I was linking this FFS cable with this LVDS in order to be able to connect this one into this motherboard, this smart motherboard, the new one we are going to use. You see that what I did is to link this FFS cable from screen into this LVDS to be able to connect into a motherboard. So let's test whether what we did is done. So we are going to connect So let's connect first this power supply. As I told you in previous videos, I told you that when you disconnect Samsung motherboard, disconnect to the power supply, the backlight is already turns on. That's why here the backlight is okay, is on. So we are going also to connect this motherboard to test whether what we did is done. So we connect this board. So to switch on this motherboard, you have to use key 6 and ground. You link key 6 and ground like 2 or 3 seconds. You see, this is a ground, this is a key 6. You link them like 2 or 3 seconds. Then let's see if display is okay. Wow, this is very perfect. You see that display is ready here. So that means to do this, so if you don't have this LVDC which can be able to be connected here, you can connect them yourself. So let's continue with installing speakers, sensors and everything this motherboard, and we fix it there in order to give a solution to our customer who want to see his TV as a smart one. So guys, we thank you for being with us since the beginning of this video. We show you how we can replace an analog motherboard with a smart one. You see that this TV was analog. You see it's old version of Samsung. We changed its motherboard which was analog, we put a smart one. We show you how we fix everything. So we thank you for being with us. So let's test to see if the images are good. You see that our customer will now access YouTube, Netflix, and he will also see the free channels. So let's use a USB to test. Let's play one of these videos. Which one is better? Wow, you see that? Now our TV is displaying well. It is a smart one because it has YouTube, Netflix and other applications. It is also a digital one. You can check if free channels are included. You see, let's select on DTV source, come to DTV. Wow, you see that it is also a digital one because it has a local free channels. There is TV, RTV, HD. You see that there is different TVs such as all of these TVs, Mama Wagasabo TV. You see that now this TV is a digital and smart. Thank you for being with us. Remember to subscribe if you didn't do it today to be updated by any video we upload. Thank you, have a good time.